Another 360 video? What is this guy looking at? Is all I see is the top of his head. What is he trying to show me?
Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and today I want to talk about 360-degree videos. We post a lot of them because I have a GoPro Max camera, which my kids bought me, and maybe you're not familiar with that, but it's got two lenses. It's got lens caps on it right now. Let me pull one off and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a lens on that side, see that? And a lens on the other side. Two lenses, each 180 degrees, total 360. And they might be more than 180, but anyway. So we make a lot of 360 videos because I like them. And other people say how much they like them, but we get a lot of people saying, you know, this video would be better if you didn't just show the top of your head. This video would be better if you pointed the camera at something interesting. So let me just say that the idea of a 360-degree video is that you can look all around. You just have to know how to do it. There is one other thing that you might want to change on your computer or your device, phone, tablet, and that is the resolution, because we make these videos in 4K. Actually they're 5K, but they're posted in 4K, but on most people's devices YouTube defaults to 1080p at the highest resolution. So if you want the really sharp, clear picture, you have to tell it you want 4K. And I'm going to show you how to do that too. And it's really not difficult once you know what you're doing. And so I'm just going to tell you. As far as I know, you can't do this on a television. I watch YouTube on my TV just like you probably watch it on yours. 360s don't work on TV that I know of. So this is only for people using a device like a computer, like a phone, or a tablet. Here goes. Here it is on my computer. This is a 360 video walking Juneau, Alaska. The first thing I want to show you is this little gear that says HD. That little gear right there says HD. Let me zoom in. See it? Now watch when I click it. Quality. Now the quality here says it's on auto 1440. But if you click that, then you'll get other qualities. And we're looking for this up here, 2160, which is 4K. It says right there in red, 4K. Click on that. Now, some people's devices, computers, phones, whatever, are older and they're going to not work on 4K, or they're going to work very slowly. So you could fool around with the different resolutions. Quality, that's screen resolution. So there's 1440 is what it was on, 1080, and so on down the line. Right? So this is 4K. So I don't know if you could tell, but the picture maybe got a little sharper. The next thing I want to show you, of course everybody knows play. There it is, it's playing now. See how clear and sharp that is? The next thing is, this is my mouse. You see the little hand moving around there, right? Just click and hold and drag. And that's how you do a 360. I'm going to pause this and just move it around. So there's me. There's the hand holding the camera, and it stitched it out. That's what we call it. So you don't see the pole the camera's on. You don't see the camera. There's Janet. Now look up. See, there's Mount Roberts. There's the sky. So you can go anywhere and everywhere, and you can do it, I'm going to turn the sound down here, while it's playing. So, or you can just watch it like a regular video, depending on which direction you want to be. Okay? So, that's it in a nutshell. Now, the cool thing about watching it on your phone, I've got the same video brought up on my phone. So I'm going to push play here, and that video is going to play. And I can move it around, just like I just showed you. See that? Let me show you. There's the gear. And it's on 480. So, advanced, specific resolution, 2160 will apply to your current video. So, there, I just raised it up to 4K. Now, also, there's this, and I'm sure you know this little box square that makes it full screen. Let me turn it this way. There. So, there's the video playing, right? And I can move it around with my thumbs or fingers. I can look at the sky. I can look at the plants. I can look at Janet. I can look at the top of my head. You could also do this, and I'm going to hold the camera now and walk through my house. Watch this. You can also move your body around. See, I'm holding the camera still, but I'm turning. See how that works? I can look down, I can look up. Now it works the same way with a tablet, an iPad. It also works in VR headsets or things like that. And you would just move your head around. So, it's really simple. Change the resolution. If you want a clear, sharp picture, and then either use your mouse on a computer or just move your phone around or use your fingers. But the picture you should be able to see in all directions, up and down and all the way around, 360 degrees, spherical. All right? So, if you have more questions, leave comments. I answer every comment. All right? So this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, see you in the next port. Bye.
Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. I can even look behind me. This is great.